Hello folks, we're about to wrap up our review of Clause 871 of the ISO 9001 standard. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest releases. In the previous videos, we discussed the identification of NC outputs, segregation, and containment actions based on the nature of the non-conformities, NCs detected during or after the provision of products and services, customer complaints, and dispositions. Today, we'll explore the remaining aspects of the clause: customer communications, verification of conformity when non-conforming outputs are corrected, communications not mentioned in the standard but required for particular industries, and comparison of clauses 871, control of non-conforming outputs, and element 10.2, non-conformity and corrective action. While dealing with non-conformities, as one of the options, the clause suggests informing the customer. Well, I hope we all understand that this option does not mean that each and every hiccup needs to be reported to the customer. In some situations, a customer may contractually require a particular level of information regarding nonconformities. For example, I work with a few logistics companies with customer service agreements. Those agreements require periodic business reviews with mandatory reporting of encountered nonconformities. These reports are typically formatted as KPI matrices with the target and actual performance data. The bottom line here is to ensure that your organization is clear on customer expectations. Verification of conformity when non-conforming outputs are corrected. Finally, once a non-conforming output has been corrected, the organization must verify that it now conforms to the requirements. This ensures that the issue has been fully resolved and that the product or service meets its requirements. As a rule, we verify conformity through established processes that detect the nonconformity in the first place. They may be visual inspection, electric, mechanical, or chemical tests, functional performance tests, and others. We often document such verification in job travelers, work orders, or within the nonconformity or deviation reports. Sadly, the standard has missed a critical consideration in this clause: reporting to regulators, as applicable. Specific industries, such as medical device manufacturers, automotive, and aerospace, have strict regulatory requirements regarding customer and regulator communications for particular nonconformities due to safety concerns. For example, suppose you manufacture medical devices and receive a doctor's report indicating that such a failure could have caused patient injury or death. In that case, you must report such an event to the FDA. Another example relates to aviation. You probably remember numerous instances when the FAA grounded particular aircraft types for inspections and repairs due to identified deficiencies. Failure to meet these communication requirements could result in fines and legal actions. Who needs those, right? So, if you are in a regulated industry, add this regulatory communication requirement to your nonconformity process. Another requirement the standard missed is communication with suppliers in case of nonconformities. Organizations may need to notify suppliers to investigate and prevent recurrence where nonconformities involve supplier-provided products. Additionally, some industries may require key stakeholders, such as quality and risk management teams, to be informed of significant nonconformities, especially when they can impact safety or compliance issues. Interestingly, while Element 871 specifies how to deal with nonconforming outputs, Clause 10.2, nonconformity and corrective action, also requires reacting to the nonconformity and, as applicable, taking action to control and correct it. While these two clauses appear similar, there are some differences between them. Clause 871 focuses on handling nonconformities during production or service provision, ensuring they don't reach customers. Element 10.2 specifies requirements for corrective actions and root cause analysis for continual improvement. So, is it yet another duplication in the standard? I think it is. In the following videos, we will discuss Element 10.2, and I will show you how you can use a common process to address both clauses. So, stay tuned, and we will develop a lean nonconformity and corrective action process for your management system. To wrap things up, here's a quick summary of today's discussion. Inform the customer, the regulator, and the supplier of the nonconformities, as applicable. Verify conformity when non-conforming outputs are corrected. Consider similarities between clauses 871, control of non-conforming outputs, and 10.2, non-conformity and corrective action for possible optimization. As always, check out the free resources available on our website. Please contact me if you have any questions about this topic or need assistance implementing your lean management system. My information is below. Before you leave, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project. Thanks for watching, and until next time.